Proposed solution to MHAA, make homes affordable again. Attention, policymakers, industry professionals, and concerned citizens, the path forward requires bold changes that prioritize financial sustainability, construction efficiency, and real housing affordability. While some developers, businesses, contractors, and real estate professionals may resist these changes, they are necessary to stabilize the housing market and restore access to homeownership for the working and middle class. 1. Lending reform, use net income as the basis for mortgage approval, Factor X. The current system of approving loans based on gross income is misleading and harmful to both borrowers and the economy. A safer and more accurate system is urgently needed. Key reform, lending institutions must underwrite loans based on net income, referred to as Factor X, which reflects a borrower's actual take-home pay after deductions, local, state, federal taxes, Social Security, Medicare, etc. Enforce the following debt-to-income, DTI, limits based on net income. Front-end DTI, housing only, max 25%. Back-end DTI, total monthly debt, max 50%. Additional policy action, eliminate the reliance on risky band-aid loans, including non-qualified mortgages, non-QMs, which may offer temporary affordability but long-term instability. Outcome, reduces over-leveraging. Strengthens borrower stability. Creates a more resilient housing finance system. 2. Construction innovation, build better, smarter, and more affordably. To meaningfully increase housing supply and affordability, the construction industry must modernize its practices. Key strategies, architectural and engineering optimization, embrace standardized, modular designs for speed and consistency. Integrate molded/extruded structural systems to reduce material waste and labor costs. Large-scale offsite production. Manufacture structural components in centralized facilities to increase quality control and construction speed. Regionally adapted foundations, implement engineer-approved foundation systems tailored to local soil, seismic, and climate conditions for long-term structural integrity. Local and regional material sourcing, use available regional materials to reduce transportation costs and environmental impact. Apply new material technologies for affordability and disaster resilience. Outcome, dramatic reduction in construction costs. Faster delivery of homes. Stronger, safer housing stock capable of withstanding natural disasters. The time to act is now. Housing affordability is not a niche issue, it is a national economic priority. Without meaningful reform in both the lending and construction sectors, the dream of homeownership will remain out of reach for millions. We must make homes affordable again, not with temporary patches, but with real, sustainable change. Respectfully, Jose Alonso Hurtado Gonzalez. Author of My Dar and Ah Che. Sur. RE 101 at JH.LLC.